certain level of understanding of the static and also the understanding of PYQs, right?
Right.
So that can only come with practice.
So one thing which is quite common in prelims examination, because since you have practiced a lot for prelims, so prelims is considered to be not just of knowledge, but also every student essentially has to have, maybe would have the kind of practice as art of guesswork. Do you believe in that art of guesswork, or is there any other smarter way of working out things for prelims?
I think for prelims, number one most important thing is mental composure and calm. Because I feel like whenever you open that paper, there would be a vast majority of questions that you don't know. That would be curveballs at you. And I think even in my paper, more than 35 questions I wasn't completely sure of. So whatever else I attempted was intelligent guessing, is what I would call this guesswork.
Right.
That is what I say when you need to be very, very thorough with your static, because
Right.
that's only when you will be able to make that intelligent guesses over there, right? So
Right.
be it elimination, be it understanding the terminology, or like say four statements are given, understanding which one is wrong. All of this comes with a certain level of understanding of the static and also the understanding of PYQs, right?
Right.
So that can only come with practice. There can be no shortcut to even making those guessworks, right?
True.
So
True. True.
again, being thorough with static, giving lots of practice both in terms of PYQs and mocks, and being calm and mentally composed in those 2 hours is what is the most important thing when it comes to prelims.